So, I am about to walk into CVS right now, and I'm very excited for today's video because it's a little different. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite drugstore products. I've been seeing a few YouTubers do it. My girl Arshia did it, and I think it's a really fun way to show you guys what I wear. So let's get on in there. Everyone's always looking for a good drugstore find, right? Right. This is the holy grail. I knew I would go straight to Maybelline. Maybelline is one of my top 5 favorite drugstore brands of like all time. I'm talking a little soft because I don't even know if we're allowed to do this. Hashtag not sponsored. So people really like the Fit Me foundation. They have like a lot of shades, as you guys can see here, which is really dope. But I personally am just obsessed with the Super Stay. That is my jam right here. I love it so much. I wear the shade Honey, sometimes Toffee, but usually Honey. And now they came out with it in stick form. The stick version is just creamy and you get the same coverage that you do with the actual liquid foundation, but in stick form, you know I love that. I really think it's like a very nice full coverage foundation. The finish on my skin is just incredible. The stick is $11.49. One of these prices, what? LA Girl to me is the smartest drugstore brand. I question what I'm putting on my face because it's that affordable and I'm like, how are they even doing this? But these Pro Conceals, the Cover, Correct, and Conceal are my jam. This orange corrector, they have a line of correctors that actually, they have them for brightening, redness on your skin, sallow skin, the whole range here. They have a peach corrector for lighter skin, orange for deeper skin. And then on the concealer, I believe I get creamy beige. I always get one of these dark shades. They all kind of work on me, honestly. My go-to every time I come to the drugstore is getting all 3 of these. And I use it for my contour and my concealer and my correcting right here, these 3 sticks. It makes it so easy. And the Maybelline ones are $11 and these are $3.99. Okay, now we're at Milani. So from here, my friend Ali showed me this product and I fell in love with it. She used it on me in the past. They call it a bronzer, but to me, this baked bronzer in shade 05, Soleil, all over face bronzer, just this incredible bronzy glow, and it worked on her skin and mine. So since then I was like sold. I was like, it works on both of us, that's bomb. So you get a blush and bronzer sort of in one and kind of a shimmery highlight. It's pretty good. $10.49. TBH, low-key hate e.l.f. I know they're so cheap, but I think their products are so cheap also. The one thing I will get from them, also learned from my friend Ami, this blush palette is life, you guys. The colors are so stunning. I use it all the damn time. I'm obsessed with it. Like, this Milani thing is more like my bronzer highlighter, but this is like a blush on me. And the colors are so beautiful and pigmented. You can use them as eyeshadows, like really beautiful eyeshadows. I die for them. This is a must-have. Actually, I'm buying it right now because I'm out. $8. I've actually done a whole video on swatching the Color Riche matte lipsticks. They are so beautiful, really nice. They feel comfortable on your skin, and they're really high pigment for a drugstore brand. That and, okay, wait, I do have to show you Maybelline one. They have gorgeous range of nudes. Truffle's a really good one. Just in general, if you're looking for a cheap drugstore that feels creamy and nice on the lips, the Color Riche Matte from L'Oreal and the Color Sensational from Maybelline, you can't go wrong. $7.99, under 10 bucks. TBH, I could have just made it so all my drugstore favorites were either L'Oreal or Maybelline. It's just reality. Now we're at the Wet n Wild display. And from here, the must-have product I think is their liquid liner. Always stays nice and wet, super precise black line, really nice, thick, deep black color. That's all I want in my liquid liner, you know? It is the Mega Liner and it is $3.99. I scoop up on this, I just gotta buy one, get the second with 50%. Okay, another product I'm absolutely obsessed with. Let's go to L'Oreal. L'Oreal Voluminous. You guys, I've talked about this a million times, but if I had to pick my holy grail mascara, super affordable, gives you volume. I have length, but I don't have volume. It's an OG favorite, but I still love it. It's so good, so good. Taking that baby. $9.79, L'Oreal Voluminous. All me, hands down, absolute favorite if you're ever on the hunt for lashes. I just don't like thick strip lashes. It's just not me, it's not who I am. I don't have lashes on right now, I don't wear it daily. It's a lot of work, you know? Ardell, go-to, Wispies, baby. Give me those Wispies all day. I buy packs of these, like packs of these. I'm obsessed with it. I need them in my life at all times. And actually the duo glue that goes with it. always the best. I have really sensitive eyes. It just doesn't irritate my eyes, like everything irritates my eyes. Top drugstore pick for sure. And you get a full pack, you guys. This has 5 sets for $13, 5. One of them is like $4. You cannot beat those prices. Honestly, I use brow products from drugstore if I have to, but my favorite ones aren't from the drugstore. I won't pick my brow from here, I won't. Okay, brushes. Brushes are also not a thing I get from the drugstore. You tell me if you thought otherwise, but like, I don't really care. I don't really like do Neutrogena makeup. I haven't really discovered things. I've heard really great things about it, but the color range is pretty bad. And I thought they had Kerry Washington, so it'd be different, but it's pretty bad. The thing that I do love, oops, I'll pick it up, I swear. These makeup wipes are always on my counter when I'm filming, no matter what. I've tried every single makeup brand from every high-end thing. Nothing in the world compares to these. They stay really wet and moisturized and also get off like the most stubborn eye makeup. I love it. My skin feels so clean after these things. So it has to be my last one that I talk about today, even though it's not really makeup, but it is a beauty product must-have from a drugstore, hands down. All right, so that is my CVS trip, and those are some of my favorite drugstore picks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to make this into a series and maybe go to like other drugstores or maybe just like generally going to different stores and just like picking my favorite products, holler at your girl. Oh my God, by the way, my neck is so white because of the SPF Super Goo. Yes. You guys, this is crazy. I sprayed a Super Goop SPF on my neck and look at the difference. All right, well, note to self, this isn't drugstore, but don't get a Super Goop SPF. Oh God. I look like 2 different people. That's crazy. Anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to make this into a series of some sort. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm not always 2 different colors. Well, yeah, I am. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Yes, work. Work that drugstore runway.
Hashtag live tinted. Shameless plug. And people are officially staring. Do it for the YouTube.